My name is Florian Koh, and today I show you how to make your own yogurt with a simple yogurt machine. What do I need? At first, I scale up 1 liter of milk. Into this milk, I add yogurt starter cultures. These cultures contain 7 different kinds of bacteria, which help us to stock the milk and to become a yogurt. Just add them into the milk, stir them up a bit, and put the bat into the machine. Put the lid on and press start. So what's happened now? The machine will keep the yogurt and milk together for 10 hours at 43 degrees, and after this 10 hours she will start a cooling process when our yogurt is finished. The milk and the bacterial mix was in our yogurt machine for 10 hours at 43 degrees. We can see that it started to cool down and the milk was stocked and will become a yogurt. I'll show you how to make our soft ice with our self-made yogurt and the other products which we need for it. First, I use 10 grams of our Jomix yogurt pulver. With this powder we can increase the taste of the yogurt. Another 10 grams we use of our binding powder. It's called Tripanna. Then I add 240 grams of sugar and mix all these dry ingredients together in a bowl. In a pot, I have it heated up 800 grams of milk, which is on 70 degrees, so we reach a pasteurizing process, which helps us to let the proteins melt and get a fine structure in the final ice cream. 50 milliliter of cream. And 200 grams of fresh yogurt, which we made before. Now we stir it up. And now we have our final premix, which we can put in our soft serve machine. And now I show you the final soft serve ice. It's quite easy to take out. We make a nice piece on top, like this, and then for example we can decorate this with a mint leaf and we have a nice soft serve ice cream on an easy way of production.